the exchange of information between two individuals using a common set of symbol, sign, or behavior. The field of networking and communication include the analysis, design, implementation, and use of local, wide area, and mobile networks that link computers together. The Internet itself is a network that makes it feasible for nearly all computers in the world to communicate. A computer network links computers together via a combination of infrared light signal, radio wave transmission, telephone lines, television cable, and satellite links. The challenge for computer scientists has been to develop protocol, which is standardized rules for the format and exchange of messages that allows processors running on host computer to interpret the signal they receive and to engage in meaningful conversation in order to accomplish tasks on behalf of users. Network protocol also includes flow control, which keeps a data sender from swamping a receiver with messages that it has no time to process or space to store, and error control, which involve transmission, error detection, and automatic resending of message to correct such errors.
We're gonna talk about list of advantages of computer networking. First, it allows for more convenient resources sharing. This benefit is very important, particularly for larger companies that really need to produce huge numbers of resources to be shared to all the people. Since the technology involves computer-based work, it is assured that the resource they wanted to get across will be completely shared by connecting to a computer network which their audience is also using. And second, it makes file sharing easier. Computer networking allows easier accessibility for people to share their file, which greatly help them with saving more time and effort, since they could do file sharing more accurately and effectively. And the third, it is highly flexible. This technology is known to be very flexible, as it gives users the opportunity to explore everything about essential things, such as software, without affecting their functionality. Plus, people will have the accessibility to all information they need to get and share. And lastly, it boosts storage capacity. Since you are going to share information, files, and resources to other people, you have to ensure all data and content are properly stored in the system. With this networking technology, you can do all of this without any hassle, while having all the space you need for storage. And next, I want to talk about list of disadvantages of computer networking. First, it lacks independence. Computer networking involves a process that is operated using computers, so people will be relying more on computer work instead of exerting of an effort for their tasks at hand. Aside from this, they will be dependent on the main file server, which means that if it's break down, the system will become useless and making users idle. And second, it poses security difficulties because there will be a huge number of people who will be using a computer network to get and share some of their files and resources. A certain user's security will be always at risk. There might even be illegal activities that will occur, which you need to be careful about and aware of. Lastly, it allows for more presence of computer virus and malware. There will be instances that store files are corrupt due to computer virus. Thus, network administrators should conduct regular checkup on the system and the store files at the same time.
A security hacker is someone who explores methods for breaching defenses and exploiting weaknesses in a computer system or network. Hackers may be motivated by a multitude of reasons such as profit, protest, information gathering, challenge, repression, or to evaluate system weaknesses to assist in formulating defenses against potential hackers. The subculture that has evolved around hackers is often referred to as the computer underground. Long-standing controversy surrounds the meaning of the term hacker. In this controversy, computer programmers reclaim the term hacker, arguing that it refers simply to someone with an advanced understanding of computers and computer networks. And the cracker is the more appropriate term for those who break into computers, whether computer criminal or computer security experts, white hats. A 2014 article noted that the black hat meaning still prevails among the general public.
Next, I will talk about computer virus. A computer virus, much like a flu virus, is designed to spread from host to host and has the ability to replicate itself. Similarly, in the same way that flu viruses cannot reproduce without a host cell, computer viruses cannot reproduce and spread without programming such as a file and document. In more technical terms, a computer virus is a type of malicious code and program written to alter the way a computer operates and is designed to spread from one computer to another. A virus operates by inserting or attaching itself to a legitimate program or document that supports macros in order to execute its code. In the process, a virus has the potential to cause unexpected or damaging effects, such as harming the system, software by corrupting or destroying data.